So we've got our blue, we've got our gold, we've got our green. So now we're gonna add in our darker burgundy or purple foliage, and we're choosing the Torchlight Coleus for that. And I really like the Color Blaze series from Proven Winners because they don't flower until much later in the season. And a lot of people grow Coleus for the foliage and not necessarily the blooms. So delaying the flowers is always a bonus. So this is gonna look so good against that.
Incredible.
And they look so tiny now, but they're gonna get about 3.5 feet tall and really fill that gap. So they look sparse, but it's not gonna be that way for long. And then really, even contrasting against this Quickfire hydrangea here, look at the foliage on the Rock and Play and the Blue Salvia. It's high gloss, dark green. So that gives us even more contrast. Similar leaf structure, but very different as far as finish. It's much shinier and it's much darker green. So that's going here. And then moving this way, we're gonna bring another pop of purple.
I don't know if it quite calls it a pop. It's gonna be an explosion.
Another tower of purple. Christopher grew from seed purple castor bean, and these get enormous. This foliage is very bold, very big. It's got a nice purple burgundy color to it. It's probably gonna be as tall as me. So imagine me, but purple leaves. So that's going here. And then just a completely out of the blue change of texture. No, this is not what you think it might be upon first glance. This is Cleome or spider flower.
So the Rosalita, Rosalita Cleome is the name of it.
Rosalita Cleome. So that's going there. And that's just gonna be a great pop of color, because what happens with this perennial in particular, this is Cotton Candy Thalictrum, it looks gorgeous now. So in a few weeks, the flower is gonna be done. It'll get cut to the ground. So as we're waiting for that to regenerate, these are gonna be putting on the show, taking over for now until they're ready. So this will be down to the ground in a few weeks, reflushing. But while that's happening, we'll have the birch leaf spirea foliage in front taking care of that. We'll have some more of those annuals that Christopher mentioned earlier taking care of that. Lark Ascending is gonna be flowering. And then these Rosalita Cleome are gonna be flowering. So you gotta think about the timing of your plants in your garden, including the height and the color of the foliage, the color of the blooms. All those things get taken into consideration. And sometimes it can feel overwhelming, and sometimes you just gotta trust yourself and have fun with it because it's your garden and you get to do whatever you want.